Yes, welcome back children. We discussed about the government in the previous slide. Okay. Yes, what is that? The government takes action on many social issues like programs to help the poor. They need to give the ideas and make the programs to help the poor people. Yes, then listen. It has the job of protecting the boundaries of the nation and maintaining peaceful relations with other countries. In the previous slide, what we see, the government need to make the programs to help the poor people. That is such as providing good public school, that is government school, government public transport and hospitals, everything. Here it has the job of protecting the boundaries of the nation and maintaining peaceful relations with other countries. Okay. It is responsible for ensuring the health and safety of its citizens, and also the government want to make sure the health and safety of the people of this country or people of that country. Okay. Yes, dears. So these are the duties, perfect duties for the government. Okay. Maybe you wonder how the government solve all these problems. I already said to you 3 problems. Okay. There is no water for 15 days in Perambalur. We need a government medical college, and the problem between the China and India. Who will give the solution for these problems? Okay. Yes, we have different levels of government. In India, we have 3 levels of government. They take the decision in their levels in the issues. Okay. Yes. A government is an institution that exercises leadership, takes decision and implements them to benefit the people living jurisdiction. Okay. According to the constitution's level. Okay. This is an institution that exercise powers behalf of the people. Then forms of government are levels of government. Okay, I already told there is 3 levels of government we have in India. These 3 levels of government give the solutions according to their level. Okay. Yes, I told you. First you see the 3 levels of government. What are the one? Central government, state government, local self-government. Yes, no? But we should say local self-government, state government and central government. Okay. In these categories we should divide. See, the local self-government is big. The portion is big. That means it is base. Okay. Then state government, then the central government. Okay, dear. We discussed 3 problems. Okay. Now you want to say the answer for me. The problem, first problem, there is no water supply for 15 days in Perambalur. Who will give the solution for this problem? Local self-government. And then we need a government medical college. Who will give the solution for this problem? State government. Central government will give the solution for the problem, India and China. Okay, yes, a lot of tasks want to do by the different levels of the government. Okay, yes, because maintaining the good relationship with other countries and providing good jobs to the citizens of the country and maintaining the good health of the people in the country, provide want to fulfill their needs, each daily routines, that means electricity, transport facilities, schools, hospitals, these things. Okay, how they work? Listen, union government, that is central government, state government, local government, we hear. That local government is divided in this way: municipality, the municipal corporation, municipal council, Nagar Panchayat, and Panchayat is district Panchayat intermediate panchayat and village panchayat. Yes dears, our whole country is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. Okay, this 28 states again divided into districts. Okay, each our whole country have a government, that is central government. This central government give a look over the whole country and the state. The country is divided into 28 states. That 28 states, each states have a separate government and separate chief minister for it. That is called state government. That state want to fulfill the state people's needs. And the states divided into districts. That districts comes under the local self-government. Okay dears? Yes. Just the work of the government. Simply I am giving here. The government want to do for the people. Public transport, public safety, court system, that is judiciary, public education, that is free government schools, welfare subsidies. Okay, that means I want to give more welfare for the people, postal services, parks and recreations. These things want to do by the state governments. Okay, here I am giving an exercise for you. You want to give the answer to me now. Look at the statements in the column on the left. Can you identify which level they belong? Place 6 marks against the level you consider most appropriate. Yes children, you know there are 3 levels of government in India. That is local self-government, state government and central government. Okay. Yes, you say again, local self-government and state government and central government. Now here some duties are there. Which government give the solutions for these problems? The decision of the Indian government to maintain peaceful relation with Russia. Which government will give the solution for this problem? Local government, state government or central government? Central government. Very good. The decision of the West Bengal government on whether to have board exam in class 8 for all government schools. Which state this one? West Bengal. What they are saying, whether the 8th standard needs the board exam or not. Who will give the solution? The West Bengal government, state government. Introduction of 2 new train connection between Jammu and Bhubaneswar. Railway is under the control of central government. So the third task is will complete by the central government. The decision to locate a common well in a particular area of the village. So the village people need a well, common well. But where it want to keep? Who will decide? The local self-government. Decision to construct a big children's park in Patna. Who will take? The state government. Okay. The decision of the Haryana government to provide free electricity for all farmers. Who will give solution? Haryana government. Okay. Yes. Then introduction of a new 1000 rupee note. Local self-government. Is the answer is correct? So what is the correct answer? The answer is central government. Okay. Yes. So now you understand what is government. Government is an authorized organization, exercise its power. It's elected by the people and it works for the people. Okay. Because it need to complete the common task. Okay. Or to fulfill the public needs. In our country we have the 3 levels of government. That is what and all? local self-government, state government and central government. Yes, the works also we discussed. Okay. Yes, now you say every country needs a government to make decision and get things done. The government takes action on dash issues, public issues. Then last question is for you. List the functions performed by the government. That question is for you. Okay, children? Yes, the first onwards a little bit you will have the revision. Yes. What is government? Every country needs a government to make decision and get things done. Okay. The government takes action on many social issues like programs to help the poor, etc. It has the job of the protecting the boundaries of the nation and maintaining peaceful relations with other countries. It is responsible for ensuring the health and safety of its citizens. Our government is an institution that exercises leadership, takes a decision and implements them to benefit the people living jurisdiction. Levels of government. Yes, children, one more question for you. Providing the ration things, that is fair price things to us. Okay. Fair price shops we say. In normal language, ration shop. Okay. Providing the rice, sugar and other things. Okay. Provisions. These things come under which government? State government or central government or local government? You want to give the answer to me. Okay. So listen. 3 levels of the Indian government, that is central government, state government and local self-government. That governments, union government is called central government, state government and local government. That local government is divided municipality and panchayat. Municipality means that is in the highly populated area. Panchayat is in the village level. Municipality, municipal corporation, municipal council and nagar panchayat. District that is panchayat, district panchayat, intermediate panchayat and village panchayat. Then the works want to do by the government. The services, public transport, public safety, court system, public education, welfare subsidies, postal services, parks and recreations. Parks and recreations will come under which government? Okay, 2 questions for you. I am giving here. What are the 2 questions? Parks and recreations will come under the dash government. And one more question is providing ration that is fair price things, that is ration provision come under which government? Okay. So you want to give the answer to me these things. Yes, just kindly read your book properly. Give the answer to me. Without reading the book you can't understand. Okay. So you go through your book and give. Thank you children. Take care. Read your book. Bye.